These are the ingredients: 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt, and half cup of warm water. First, mix the dry ingredients, the flour and the salt. Don't taste it, it's salty. We are going to move them to mix very well. Then you add the warm water and continues moving to make the dough. Excellent. Maybe you need more water, so you can add more water. Continues moving. Making salty dough is so easy. Just follow the 4 easy steps below to create the best salt dough recipe. Continues moving. Very good. If you want, you can do it with the hands. It's so fun. Add a little of flour on the table and continues moving with your hands. You can fold the dough in that way to make it well. Excellent. That's all there is to it. You can't really go wrong with this easy salt dough recipe. After you make a bowl and flatten it to put the shape that you want to create on it. We are going to use Christmas shapes. Our shapes, here you are. Okay, thank you, Leo, to share with us that activity. Bye bye, take care.